Hey guys, my name's Daryl and welcome to this edition of Project TJ. Yes, we have one of the Corbeau seats out of the vehicle and I'm going to install some seat heating pads into them. We're going away this weekend to the country. It's fairly cold there at the moment and it would be nice to have some seat heating. So I bought this seat heating kit at approximately the same time as I've bought the seats, and they've just been sitting there like a lot of other parts I've got hidden away. You can get the seat heating pads installed at the same time as you order your seats from Corbeau. However, being an overseas purchaser, I'm in Australia, it was all just too difficult at the time. So I purchased the seats and then at a later date I purchased the heating pads. The heating pad set, these are just basically two heating pads. They slip between the outer skin of the seat and the foam. If you had seat covers, these could actually just slip between the seat cover and the seat, and they just double side tape in. These come with a really nice automotive loom with connectors everywhere, so it's really nice to work with. They are fused on the power lead. They need a 6 amp 12 volt supply, so that's fairly easy to get. And they have a 2-stage switch. Now with the switch, I was originally going to use these switches that are a matching switch for the TJ OEM switches. The only issue I had was I could only get a single pole switch, and that would only give me one setting on the seat heaters. So at this point I think I may just install the ones that come with the kit and see how they go. I've had seat heaters before and I tend to use one setting a lot, and it's generally the lower one, but who knows, I may use high and low with these ones. So let's just use the setting there. Maybe I'll see if I can look further and see if I can get a double pole one of these, but at this point we'll put these aside. That's it. At this point we need to open up the base of the backrest and the squab on these seats. You may have some C-clips. I did buy some C-clips and some C-clip pliers just in case. I've had a look at this. With the backrest on these, they have a zip that comes out and zips up the side of the backrest, and then there's a plastic channel where the face of the seat goes into the back, so that should be easy enough to pry away, but the squab I haven't looked at yet. So anyway, let's get into this and see how we go with it. cable runs up along underneath the console, up behind the dashboard to the two switches, and it's all working really nicely. The seats are nice and toasty warm, and the fuses for these I've got behind the glove box near the rest of the fuses. Now, with the 12 volt feed for the seat heaters, there used to be a loom that ran up to the top of the dash that used to power the Garmin sat-nav. As that's not there now, I've rerouted that loom and tapped off that for the positive and negative for the two seat heaters. But it's all working fine. The seats are toasty warm. It's very nice, quite decadent really. But yeah, everything's working fine. It's very nice. Alright, so that's taken me the best part of 4 hours today. As you can see, it's now dark. I'm stuffed. It's been a fairly big job. Pulling both seats out, disassembling the squab from the backrests, inserting the heating pads in both, running the loom up under the console, up behind the dash, installing the switch gear, wiring it all up. Yeah, she's been a fairly big job, but I do have toasty warm seats. Some news for those that have hung around this long. I've ordered air lockers, compressor, I've got ring and pinions. You know where this is going. Alright guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you later. Bye now.